Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Today it is Tool Tuesday, and we're going to discuss the triple square. So today we've got the triple square. Mine are in socket form. I'm not sure what other forms they come in, but if you've got a Volkswagen product and you want to work on your own brakes, you're probably going to need a set of these. My first encounter with the triple square was doing the rear brakes on a 2010 Volkswagen Golf. Got underneath it, was looking at the bolts, and I was like, I don't have that socket. So when you don't have a tool, what do? You go get the right tool. Now the triple square is basically an inverted 12-point socket. You've got 12 different points. But if I remember correctly, the brake calipers themselves were held onto the car with the triple square. I don't know what other manufacturers have it, what other manufacturers use it, but it's definitely a tool you'll need in your garage if you're working on a Volkswagen. And that's it, the triple square. It's a simple tool, comes in very handy. Hey guys, do me a favor, get down there and crush that like button. Oh yeah, crush it with your finger. It's like a, maybe it's more like a tap than a crush. Crush it. Crush that like button. Alright guys, that's Tool Tuesday. Super short, super quick. It's what you need in your garage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. What tools are in your garage? What couldn't you live without? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Cell Phone 5.